Hey everybody. The first thing you're going to need to do to download your PlanBook plans as a PDF is to log into PlanBook. Once you get logged in, you'll see this plus arrow sign. You'll click on that, scroll down to Print Lesson and click on Options. Once you do that, you need to make sure that it says Send to PDF Document. If you want to export your lessons as daily or weekly, you'll click here. I'm going to do day for the purpose of the demonstration, but if you want it to be week or something else, you can click one of those options. Print lesson. If you are choosing week, you'll want to make sure that you have the correct week selected. But like I said, I'm choosing day. So click print once you have your parameters set. You're going to notice that a download will appear in the bar. Click on that download. Then you will want to right click, click Save As. Once you click Save As, it's going to pull up your computer's drive. Save it wherever you would like. If you want to save it under yourself, you can. Or if you want to put it on your desktop, you can. I'll put mine on my desktop just so it's easy to find. I'm going to call it PlanBook 421 and then click Save. Of course, it won't let me save it as that. How about we'll try PlanBook. Then you are going to go into your drive and the student's name that you need to drop the file into. For the purpose of the demonstration, I'm just dropping it into a sample student upload, but you'll actually click on the real student's name. You'll click New. You will click File Upload, and then you are going to either remember where you put your information or you can search for it. I put mine into my desktop, called it PlanBook. I'm going to open it. You'll see that it is completing the download, and once you've done that, it's going to be in the sample student's drive. You can open it up to check, but this way it's available for anybody who needs to see it or have access to it. If you have any questions about that, definitely feel free to send me an email. I have no problem walking you through the steps again. Thanks.